Hello everyone, it's me Brunel and this is my channel Royal Touch. So today I have brought for you a Rakhi special makeup look. For this look I am just using two eyeshadows or maybe three. So you can just see how you can create a look using less eyeshadows and which is very much suited for the monsoon season. So without any further ado, let's begin. So as you know, monsoon is here and it is very hot outside. So many of you may not like to use foundation. So I am one of them. So today I am using this Lakme Absolute Compact Powder for my face. This compact powder also gives some coverage to your skin, and if you don't have any dark patches or you just want a very light base, so you can always go for compact directly. So if you want to use a concealer, so I will recommend you to use your concealer before this powder so that it is not get mismatched with the texture of the product, as liquid will not sit properly on the powder. So use your concealer first and then use powder, and don't forget your neck. Yeah, so face is finally done and I don't need any concealer to prime my eyelids, so I'm just going straight with the eyeshadow. I am using Miss Rose eyeshadow palette, which looks like this, and we are going to use only two colors, like this brown color right here and this orange color. So let's zoom in. Brush, I am using this brown eyeshadow to create a cut crease like effect. So as you can see, I have hooded eyes. You can see this hood right here. So I do not have a defined crease line, so I have to build a new. And if you are blessed with nice defined eyes, so you don't need to do this. What I'm doing is going above this crease which forms when I open my eye. I am going above, slightly above it. Okay, you just need to look straight in the mirror. I am holding my mirror this side straight, and you just have to go very slightly above this crease. As you can see, I've gone higher than what naturally my crease may look like. And also I want to make an elongated shape, so I'm already drawing this with this pencil brush and the eyeshadow. So what I'm going to do is take this here in the outward direction and connect this with the eye. You can see like a shape is made here. Again, take that eyeshadow and also make sure that you do the lower lash line properly. Now join this lower lash line with the upper lash line with the shape we have drawn earlier. With this, it should all look cohesive. Now I will take another clean brush. I don't have any puffing brush, blending brushes, so I am using this which I got from DMart store. All my brushes are from DMart. I have only 5 brush set. So this is what I am going to use to blend the eyeshadow. Just make sure that you hold your brush far behind so that you get a very light-handed strokes when you blend your eyeshadow. So, and also hold this in this direction like this. Try to do small circular motion very light-handedly to blend the eyeshadow in. If you need more color, you just can take the color with the first brush, place it where we had already did it. Now what I'm going to do is take orange color. I'm first going to clean this brush, and now with the same pencil brush I'm going to use the orange shade from the palette and place it right below the brown shade we had placed. The eyeshadows from this palette are not very much pigmented, so you will have to work with it to get the amount of color you need. Also, I'm not putting the color all over my lid, I'm just placing it in the crease line. Use this bright yellow in this palette to give a pop of color to the inner corner. Here I'm just placing the color and not actually blending it. Okay, can you see? To give my lids a little shine, I am using this Swiss Beauty Brick Highlighter, and I'm just going with this second number shade right here and using my finger to pick up. This is such a beautiful rose gold color, as you can see, and just apply it on my lids where we have not applied any color, and just tap here so that it gets blended with the eyeshadow we have applied there. Also, I'm going to take the same shade with the pencil brush and I'm going to apply little bit in the inner corner here and just a little on the arch of my brow. I'm not taking it all the way in because it will just intensify my hood, so I'm just keeping it very close to the brow and just applying it in my lower lash line. This is the turn of eyeliner. I'm using Dazzler Eternal waterproof eyeliner. As I have wooded eyes and I have no lid space, so I'm doing a very thin eyeliner very close to my lash line. So here we have finished the eye makeup of one eye. Now I'm going to repeat the same on the other. So guys, here are my two eyes completed. Actually not completed. We have yet to apply some mascara, and for mascara I am using Maybelline Hypercurl Volume Express Mascara. If you have eyelash color, well and good, and if you don't have, I don't have. So we're just going to use the mascara directly. Make sure you are wiggling the brush through the hairs when you apply mascara, and also try to like roll this like this side, so that you can get the whole benefit out of like this. Wiggle and roll for lower lash line also. I mean for lower lashes. Yes, can you see a difference in both these eyes? This is with mascara and this is with not. Okay, eyes done. Now moving on to the face. For bronzer I am going to use this brush from the DMart brush set, and I'm using this brown shade right here. Just dip it in. Then first you have to just place the bronzer where you want. Like here is where I want my bronzer. When you have placed the bronzer, use your brush in circular motions to blend it in the upward direction. And for blush I'm using corally orange shade from the same palette. Just applying. Now highlighter, I'm using the same Swiss Beauty highlighter, and I'm just taking the above two shades, mixing like this, and I'm just using it. In the places where light hits me first, like that is on my cheek, just a little bit on the nose, bridge of the nose, and okay. Thing is, I'm using a brown lip liner pencil to line my lips. Okay, after that I'm using brown shade lipstick, but instead like this brown shade lipstick, but instead of applying it directly to the lips, I am using my fingertips to just apply just a tiny bit of it. Also while doing so, make sure you are blending your lip liner in. Now our face is done. I'll just wear earrings. So this is the final look. You can wear this for Raksha Bandhan. Also you can use this look for a wedding guest makeup also, or any time. And also you can skip the shimmer on the lids. You can also keep that as it is and apply color on the crease and keep the lids blank. It's also a nice look, but I just wanted to add some glow and some shimmer so that my hooded lids can some pop. So that's the look. Okay guys, I'll also show you this, how does this look in real lighting. So let's go. So guys, here we are in the sunlight. Now you can see the highlighted glow, and this, as it's not only here, you can see it here also, which is the first thing where light hits me because I have chubby cheeks, so I like to apply highlighter there. And yeah, this is the look. So that's it for today guys. We'll meet in the next one. Bye bye.